studying about the equality of sides and the angles of a triangle. But sometimes we do come across an unequal objects, right? So where we need to compare them. For example, the line segment AB. Here, if you observe, the line segment AB is greater in the length when compared with the line segment CD, and this angle A is greater than the angle B. Okay, so likewise, now let us examine whether there is any relation between the unequal sides and unequal angles of the triangle. So for that, what I'll do, I'm going to construct the scaly triangle. So we know that in the scaly triangle where all the sides will be of different lengths. So now if you observe the length of the sides here in this triangle ABC, you can observe that the BC is the longest side, right? And the AC is the shortest side. And if you observe, even the angle A is the larger and angle B is the smallest. So from this, we're going to get a theorem, which is a theorem 7.6, which states that if two sides of a triangle are unequal, then the angle opposite to the longer side is larger. And then there is one more theorem, which is theorem 7.7. It states that in any triangle, the side opposite to the larger angle is longer. Okay, yeah. Then now let us observe that the side opposite to the larger angle here in this triangle, which is ABC. If you observe, right, the side which is opposite to the larger angle, it is the longest, right? See, your angle B is the largest angle. So the side opposite to that is a AC, where AC is the longest. So that's what the theorem states. Okay, and then we are having the one more theorem, which is theorem 7.8. It states that the sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. So to prove this, so let me consider a triangle ABC, where if you observe, AB is 3.5 centimeter and BC is 4 centimeter and AC is 4.5 centimeter. So we need to find the sum of two sides. So first, let me take AB plus BC. So that is equals to 3.5 plus 4, which is equals to 7.5. And if you observe the third side, which is AC, it is having 4.5. So from this I can say that AB plus BC is greater than AC. And similarly, if you find the BC plus AC, we're going to have a 8.5, so which is greater than the AB value, which is 3.5. So I can say that BC plus AC is greater than AB. And similarly, AC plus AB also. So I'm going to have 8, where BC is equals to 4. So I can say that AC plus AB is greater than BC. And this is about the theorem 7.8. And this is about the lesson triangles.